Welcome back
to the Jones Sisters.
We are going to be doing a new series of staining this carpet and washing it out with just Dawn dish soap.
And paper towels and knives. Well, only plastic knives, so don't worry, YouTube. We're not gonna,
do anything. So, today we are going to be staining this fruit punch.
Staining it with this fruit punch.
Okay.
Hold on, not yet. I'm gonna put a towel under it so it doesn't stain our real rug.
Yeah.
Because we just did stain our real rug, and it took like an hour to get out. Okay, so hold on. Let's flatten this out a little. Musty, dusty towel we're using that we used for the last time. Okay.
Okay. Make sure it's nice and flat.
Right there.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
So you're going to want to get into the stain as fast as you can. But we're going to let it sit for a minute or so. So I'm just going to rub it in. Here, I'm just going to move this
Into the camera. Oh, it looks like blood.
It's not blood, it's fruit punch.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we should do a bit more because
Yeah.
to see it because a little bit. Yeah, so just a little bit more. Wait. Oh,
Whoa,
Whoa.
Chloe.
and this is why accident. Okay, so now it's
Okay, let's just.
so I'm gonna let it
Okay.
sit for a little bit.
Just gonna let it sit. Rub it in.
Ooh, that's
So
wet.
it's like it was here for hours. We're gonna let it sit for a second. So we'll be right back. We're not gonna be right back. We're just gonna wait with you. We're gonna talk. We're watching Jessie right now. Hold on, let me pause it. Where's the remote? Where's the remote?
Okay.
Hi.
So
If you can't remember or you haven't seen our other videos, I'm Claire and the other one's Chloe.
I'm Chloe, as you may or may not know. So, okay, I think we've sat long enough. So you're gonna take some Dawn dish soap and just
Squeeze
pour
it
it
all over.
on the stain.
Perfect, just like that.
Once
Next, you're gonna rub it in with your hands, just like so. You'll already see it starts to disappear and go onto your hands. You're gonna wanna grab some paper towels and just set it on
and just
top.
remove the excess as well as you can.
And
As you can
obviously
see,
it's red and it's
Fruit punch.
staining, so there's gonna be a stain. So next, what you're gonna want to do? Hold on, we're gonna set these on top of this chair. You're gonna take your knife or your spoon, and you're gonna just go like this and scrape it up. And look how much it gets. Look at that. It's so fun too. Well, I'm gonna get another little. Oh shoot! Yeah, just use the towel from under. No, don't use this. You get one. I get one. Here.
and keep scraping away, and this might take a while. So
So yeah, just keep scraping and go like this. Hold on, watch out, Kobo. Hold this down.
Claire,
Yeah.
can we use water?
Yes, go get water.
Yeah,
Just get a cup of water though. Pour it into a cup.
Yeah, because this is very, very healthy and will not be that easy.
I don't think they can hear you.
All you need is some dish soap. It actually doesn't need to be done.
I don't think they can hear you, Chloe.
So,
Chloe,
I put it in for
Chloe.
what?
I don't think they can hear you.
Sorry. So, yeah, it doesn't have to be Dawn dish soap. Oops.
It can be any soap really, but Dawn dish soap works really good, I think.
Yeah, it can be any dish soap though.
In there really with your hands. Scrub it all around. Make sure you get all the red spots and see how the soap is turning red or pink or
You want it to
whatever
be
color.
white at the end.
yes.
Or bluish because it's blue.
Dawn dish soap. But look, you can already see this is coming out so easily. But so, yeah, we did this on a real rug that's kind of shorter hair, so it was a little more difficult. So that's good, Chloe. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, so this is really getting soapy, which is good.
So what you might want to do, instead of just adding little bitty chunks of water each at a time on a rug, if it's a rug like this, then you just might want to run it underwater. But right now we're using our resources, which yes, we do have water, but currently it's in the bathroom and in the kitchen, and we're not in the bathroom and in the kitchen. We're in the living room. So I'm just gonna scruff it up like this, and see, when you scruff it and collect it,
Chloe,
it kind of looks.
find any towels, like normal towels.
I
Where are the
can.
paper towels?
Right there. And they're out.
What? You used all of them? No, they're not out. Chloe, there's more paper towels under the sink. Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
Okay.
You got a towel.
You
Just
know
set
what? A towel.
Just set it over here. Chloe, give me a towel. Right here. Okay, so you're I think Chloe did a little too much water, a little too much Dawn dish soap, so it's gonna be really sudsy. It's gonna be hard to get the soap out. So this is kind of a double situation. But see, this is getting even whiter and whiter. No, Chloe, keep that under. So I think we're good. So now we can bring our knives in.
So you're gonna want to lay it flat so it doesn't rain. Which right now that's.
Here, Chloe.
And as you can see, it's taking out pretty much all of these
Gonna
sudsy.
put that down. Ow.
So see, it was a little bit easier with the rug. Otherwise, this rug behind the rug behind the rug, that rug, because it's shorter haired, and this one's really, really fuzzy, so it's gonna be a little bit.
And there's a much bigger stain on the other rug. It was like super big. I had a whole cup full and it was spread out all on the carpet. But yeah, this is still really big.
You can also put like socks on your hands.
Oh, don't use white socks. No, don't use those. Don't, Chloe. Don't. We're not going to use socks. But you can also put socks on your hands and do that.
But we're
I'm
not
not
going
going to do that because I don't really like to ruin socks. But if you have extra socks that are small for you or whoever you, or small for anyone, or you want to donate them but you don't have anywhere to donate or whatever, just use them for stains and cleaning or whatever. If you have cleaning gloves, we
And
actually do have cleaning gloves.
Where?
Under the sink, it's Anna's though.
It's okay. So we're gonna have some cleaning gloves on. This is optional. There's only one cleaning glove,
Yeah, that's fine.
so I'm gonna use it.
Uh-huh.
So I'm just gonna use this one cleaning glove just to get. I actually think it's a gardening glove, but
No,
Yeah.
don't use it then.
why? No, it's not a gardening.
No, you're right, it is. Don't use it. Go put it back.
I will.
Go put it back. 3,
You put it.
2. Chloe, you got it out. Chloe, go put.
Why?
Chloe, you're getting it all over. Go put it back and get mad. 3.
Fine.
It works every time, guys.
I actually recommend.
Just say you don't know, you don't want to know what gets to 1, and boom, they listen. Little siblings. Little siblings will always listen to you if you.
But they're also feisty, so beware, older sisters.
Oh, there we go. Poured it all on there. Now it's real big, and it will get all that sudsiness out.
I'm gonna
Hi.
use a spoon because I think it will like scoop it.
I think it's gone.
I don't think it is. No, no,
not?
it's not.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, see, the soap's going to be really hard to get out. That's why, Chloe, you don't use a lot of soap.
Well, you didn't tell me.
Sisters.
Use a spoon. So much easier. Wait, one second. Move. There. It just scoops her right up.
There was a tiny little stain. We're making a big, huge mess. Jerk.
Claire.
What? Okay. No one will watch this.
I know.
We should just make a TikTok.
Yeah. This is just our practice. So we might post this, but our normal channel will probably be on TikTok. So our TikTok is
Sarah Jones.
no,
13.
no, it's
Oh,
not. It's
never mind.
at Miss Library Queen. No, it's at Miss
No, it's
Library
not.
Queen. Yes, it is.
It's Sarah Jones 1313. If you guys liked. Alright guys, so as you can see the stain is completely gone. There's still some
One second.
there-
Okay, it's at Miss Library Queen.
oh.
This is our TikTok page. You can sorry it's bad, but screenshot it. And all of our videos will be posted on there. So and now you're probably just gonna want to scrape some more.
And it will be gone. So you can do this step by step and just kind of fast forward and backward.
So we'll see you guys in the next video.